our shoes are built to last, so let's work out how we make them last longer. First thing really is buy yourself a pair of shoe trees. These are beautiful cedar wood. They smell really nice, but actually, fundamentally, even a pair of inexpensive plastic shoe trees will do the job. Wear the same shoes 2 days on the trot. The best thing to do is to give them a bit of time to rest after you've worn them. Use good quality polish, ideally something which is made from natural waxes like beeswax and carnauba wax, and in ours we've got buckthorn oil and neat's foot oil. The idea of that is it nourishes the leather. Leather, after all, is skin. It's a bit like putting moisturizer on your face. Ideally, don't wear particularly leather-soled shoes in really wet weather. If you do, when you get home, take them off, stuff them with newspaper, or put the shoe tree in, and leave them to dry naturally, not by a radiator. Don't force the drying process. When they're dry, polish them. When they're dry, the leather will have dried out, so put some nourishment back into the leather, polish them. Take your time wearing your shoes in. Our shoes are designed to be comfortable from the get-go. We use the best quality materials, the best quality components. But your shoe and your foot sort of have to get to know each other. You don't need to go out and spend a ton of money on cleaning products. Things like face wipes or baby wipes are great for cleaning dirt off soles and everything else. Suede's a wonderful material. It's much tougher than people think, but it does get dirty. And if you spray it with Suede Protector from the get-go, it stops it from getting too dirty. It also protects your feet. It protects from the wet, because suede is not a naturally waterproof material. So putting some Suede Protector on it right at the beginning is a really great idea. Once the sole's starting to wear away, get them repaired. Get them repaired by a good quality repairer. Ideally, get them repaired by our repairer. Al actually won the World Championship 5 years ago. When the soles start to wear out, send them back and get them repaired.